Hey guys, welcome back to Watching Your Weather. So today we're going to start with satellite imagery. So we got lots of clouds as some severe weather is expected for portions of nearing Oswego, Watertown, and portions of, for the marginal rest portions of Erie, uh, more western counties and more northern counties could experience the marginal risk for severe weather as this deepening low in Canada is coming through Canada. Let's look at radar. We got some rain and thunderstorms just south of us. And some rain, and not a lot of rain or thunderstorms near Buffalo, but that might change within the next few hours as rain and thunderstorms could have a factor. Let's look at the Buffalo Weather Service office. There are some portions do have a hazardous weather outlook indicating thunderstorm and wind damage is likely. And this could have a localized flash flooding threat. Looking at the weather story, appears showers and thunderstorms today, more widespread this afternoon through early evening over down here by Geneva, Wellsville, areas in central New York. Thunderstorms may produce strong gusty winds with localized downpours and flooding. Look at the geographical hazards. So there's thunderstorms expected, so just be on the watch out for hazardous weather. Severe thunderstorms also occasionally produce tornadoes. Even there's a zero storm prediction center that has it highlighted as a 0% chance. This means it's not impossible for a tornado to form. It's just very unlikely. Same thing with all these threats. Yeah, we got a slight risk for this extreme portions of the Western New York office. Thunderstorm winds, same areas, same thing, and there's a hail threat too. There's a lightning risk tomorrow. There's a bad swim risk on Ontario, but for most portions of Ontario. There's when there's thunderstorms, it's not a good time to go boating. Thunderstorms will be more localized on the lakes. So there is also a wind risk. Sustained winds 20-30. It could go gust up to 30 to 45. Just around that wind advisory. It's unlikely, but we're getting to that season. On winds off Lake Erie and Lake Ontario are more and wind storms are more likely to happen in a fall scenario than like a spring and summer scenario. And if it's summer, it's later summer, like August, September. Yeah. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday are perfectly clear of hazards. Monday there is a small risk on Lake Ontario. Then we have 2 days of quietness on Thursday, marine hazards, small portions again. And there's another wind risk, small portions up here, and extreme portions of southern New York. Then there's a lightning risk. That's the whole office. Storm prediction. Storm Prediction Center has 5 categories: marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate, and high risk. And we are in Some portions are in a marginal risk. Some portions have a slight risk. There's no tornado threat, but that doesn't mean tornado can't form. There is a wind threat. Some portions could see that. And there's a hail threat. But there are low chances. And day 2 outlook, this thunderstorm risk goes more easterly. I probably won't cover it in tomorrow's video. Nothing on day 3, and there's no threats. Yeah, there's no threats day 4, day 4 to day 8 rather, day 8 of thunderstorms anywhere. Let's look at the model data. Guys, this low is coming through. High pressure forms. That's it for ESMW. GFS. Model runs in progress. I'm doing this video a little bit earlier than expected. I usually do my videos at 4 to 5 corridor Eastern. That's when most thunderstorms develop. Most of the severe weather, at least for severe thunderstorms, but that would change when we get to like a winter-like weather. So it could be different when I'm doing my videos. But we got some rain, thunderstorms. We got high pressure system. And we got this rain and high pressure forms. And that's it for this model run. CMC is also on a model run. It's around that time. But thunderstorm, it's pretty much the same story. Icon should be, yeah. Icon, probably, it's indicating something similar. This is a very deep low. This could, this is something to watch out for sure after this. This is all tropical moisture. There's a low that forms here that's producing heavy rain and flash flooding potential. It becomes more northern after it stalls out for at least like a day or two. It just comes up here. This could produce some severe weather. This September 5th, September 6th. Get some cells and duo low that deepens to 986. It's gonna as you see, these lines are called millibars, and these millibars, the tighter they are, the more. That means it indicates there's a good chance of wind and wind damage. Here, this is gonna be a risk. Not like here, thunderstorms develop around September 6th at 21 Zulu. Then this Saturday, it's gonna come this way. Could have a big flash flooding potential. But this is very interesting as moisture from the Gulf feeds these storms up to the northeast. It's something to watch out for. Yeah. Let's look at the national charts. Severe weather possible with flash flooding potential and thunderstorms, all 3 today and tomorrow. Then on day 3 on Monday, there's no rain or thunderstorm potential. Let's look at the precipitation totals. We're looking at 1/10 of an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch in some places. Not much. Day 2, 0.01 of an inch. Then it gets quiet after that. 7-day totals are relatively the same, if not just combining day 1 and day 2. See, it's somewhat the same. Maybe some places go up to that 1-inch mark or so. But there's a flooding potential down here in the Gulf. So we get excessive rainfall. We do have a marginal risk for all of the Western New York area, and we got slight risk. The flash flooding I was talking about, still there. No risk on day 2 or day 3. Still there. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any suggestions or requests for a video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.